What is up, guys? We're here for an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 7. I've been waiting for this for a couple of years now, but finally I got them. This time I get it from my sister. I'll put her link so you can follow her as well. So let's do unboxing. Right, this one is blue aluminum case, Abis blue sport band with cellular, and it's a 45mm. So first up, where are we gonna open this? I think we'll start with this end. Ooh, okay.
Okay.
How did it do that? And the other end, I don't want to snap to it. I just want to keep it as is. Come on, get out. Oh, there it is. Nice. Oh, wow. Right, that's that one. We'll keep that for a bit. And that's what you get. It's nice packaging. It's cool, isn't it? Leave that there. And this is the watch. You got two separate box. You got the watch itself. It's a 45mm, and the other one is the strap, the sports band. Right. Let's start with the watch first. There's like a green arrow there, and I need to peel that off. Let's try that one. Ooh, nice. I love unboxing experiences. It's like a therapy to me. Nice. And there we go. Let's see. It's a bit tight. I think it's still glued. There it is. Come on, get out. Get out in there. I want to see you. Get out. Let's try the other end. Oh. Come on. Wow. That's a nice finish. Look at that. It's lovely, isn't it? It's designed by Apple in California. So you got the information, stuff that you got, which is the Apple Watch 45mm. Got the instructions how to fit the strap. That's there. And you got the magnetic charger. It's really cool. And there it is. Oh, it's nice. Look at that. It's beautiful. And it comes with, just come off, lift it up. Lift it up, lift it up. Comes with a cover. Ooh. Pretty tight. Ooh, nice. I love the finish. I think this is the aluminum case. Oh, it just starts to turn on straight away. Right, let's see. Turns on. Yeah, nice. And the strap, that's there. Let's check this strap, sports band. There's this green thing, sealed band that you need to peel off. And I think that's it. What you've got to do is lift it. Where are you? Oh, you need to lift it there. There it is. Right. Nice. It's lovely. And the strap. It's beautiful. Ta-da, ta-da! Wow.
Wow.
That's nice. I love it. That's a nice strap in there. You got the main one. Peel that off. Nice. And you got options. You got a longer one. I got a shorter one. So I guess I'll try the short one first. That one. Oh, such a nice feel to that. Love it. Right. Let's put this one. Strap is that one. That's the instructions. So normally bring iPhone near you. It says, oh, it's a bit, that one. Bring the iPhone near you. Bring it closer. Yep. Anyways, let's just put the strap first. So let's put this, slide it there, and the other one. Nice. That's how it looks like. Let's try put it in. Still not used to this. So how do you put it in? So you put it there, in the hole. Oh, it's the other way around. Wait, that's how you do it. There, and flip it up. And there you are. Nice. Lovely. I love it. And let's bring it closer to our phone. There it is. English, UK. Setting the language. It's nice. Start pairing. And there it is, guys. It took me a while to set them up, but it's pretty cool. I love it. Got all those. I put some selection of your main screen, and I've also set up my card for the Apple Pay, just that one, and it stores some of your other cards, like your Morrison's cards, your old cinema tickets, some of your other flights, and there you go. And so far, I haven't used them for running yet, so I might do another vlog for that one, and stay tuned for that one. And this is Ken. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the like button. It'd be great. So speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye.